Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 3 Series car battery. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Locate the battery, which is usually in the trunk on the right side or sometimes under the rear seat. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Once the terminals are disconnected, you'll need to remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in place. These can vary by model, so look for a bracket or a strap. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact for the new battery. Now carefully place your new battery into the clean battery tray, ensuring it sits snugly. Connect the positive terminal first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, making sure it's also tight. Double-check all connections. Finally, resecure the battery with its hold-down clamp or strap to prevent any movement while driving, which could damage the battery or connections. After installation, it's crucial to register the new battery with your BMW's engine control unit. This step informs the car's system about the new battery specifications, optimizing charging and extending its lifespan. Without registration, the car might overcharge or undercharge the battery, leading to premature failure. This process typically requires a specialized diagnostic tool. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.